Today we're making pizza. We're following the recipe on the Fleischmann's pizza crust packet, using this little recipe right here. To get started, we're going to add our dry ingredients in first. So we're going to add our 2 cups of flour, one, two, now we're adding our 3/4 teaspoon of salt, one tablespoon of butter. Save that for a minute. We're going to add some garlic powder. We are going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. A half teaspoon of red chili flakes. One whole packet of pizza yeast. And now 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to start it on the stir setting. We're going to let it stir for about a minute. Now we're going to add 2/3 a cup water that is below 140 degrees and above 120 degrees. This is to activate the yeast. If we get it too hot, we kill the yeast. As you can see, everything's well incorporated now. Now we put the bread hook on and let it run for at least 3 minutes. As you can see now, our dough is done. It's not too sticky and it pulls apart just right. We're going to leave that in there to rise. So we're going to show you how to do the sauce here. I added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half teaspoon of red chili flakes, and as our base, I used 1 of these little cans of tomato paste and another little can of tomato sauce. It's good enough for 4 pizzas, which is why I have the sauce saved here. We're going to start by lightly flouring our pan, and our hands, and the rolling pin. Now we're going to take our dough, cut it in half. little flour on the top. We're going to roll our dough to the size of the pan. Mozzarella cheese. And pepperoni. Alright, our oven is cold because we have cast iron and we don't want to break it. So we're turning our oven on to 425. We have our rack on the bottom position. We're going to put our pizza in. Because the oven's cold and because I'm using cast iron, it's going to take at least 15 minutes. So we're going to check it at 15 minutes and then it's probably going to need a little more time. Now we're preparing our second pizza. It looks like it's going to fit in our cast iron skillet just fine. We're going to go with a deep dish this time. Going to add just a touch of flour to our cast iron, not too much. It's almost like we've done this before. We still have a little bit of sauce left over after making 4 pizzas. I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan, Asiago, and Romano to this one to give it a different flavor profile. Now we wait. Our 15 minutes is up and we're gonna see how it looks. It's looking pretty good. We could take it out or we could let it get a little more crispy. Personally, I'd like to see it a little more crispy, but it's good enough to take out right now. Now we grab our other pizza and we put it in as well. That's also going to take about 15 minutes. That's about 17 minutes. I'm going to take it out now. Making pizza is just that easy.
Only takes about half an hour. It's way better than what you get at the store.